Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And today I'm doing a 100-mile review on a BTG. Pretty much it's a conversion for a bigger tire. It's actually really awesome. I love it from day one when I converted. Actually this VESC XR, I built it from scratch and was from beginning I was focusing on a BTG conversion. The tire is 11.5 by 7 by 6, and it's a Burris. Yeah, with super flux, high torque motor. This board has a 20S 3-piece, mind-blowing 1080 watt battery capacity. It's a long range XR ever been built by anyone. It's the longest one, I should call. Actually, I really love that board, and it's performing really awesome, but also I love the BTG tire as well. Pretty much by getting a bigger tire, of course it's a more comfortable ride, better performance on road, off-road, bumps, cracks with 11.5 by 7 by 6. It's more comfortable, less you feel it, those micro vibration, all those cracks, you know, it's less noticeable. Also, I'd like to say, to do this conversion, of course, you will have to get the rails as well. And for heavy guy, I think heavy guys will really benefit from BTG conversion, because like I said, it's more comfortable ride and much easier on the legs, you know, I mean on all joints, especially, I mean like myself, I'm a big heavy guy. And kind of old already with too much mileage. Pretty much anything what I can make board more comfortable, it's big plus, and BTG is one of them. Top speed, the highest number I got on that board with my weight of 290, it's 27 mile. It's like 43.3 kilometers, I believe, or so. Yeah, that thing performs really awesome, guys. Okay guys, let's continue it. Pretty much, like I said, BTG is a pretty good option if you want to get more comfortable board with better performance on the off-road, on-road. That board, it feels awesome. Plus it's more stable at higher speed, because when tire spins, more mass, more centrifugal force, it makes your board more stable. Now I love it, this tire much more than a previous set of tires. Yeah, pretty much like this. I love it, no regrets. Plus, anytime when you have to replace your tire, those BTG tires, I mean the Burris 11.5 by 7 by 6, it's less expensive. This tire cost me like $75 or so. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate it. Thank you.